Oh, let's try this again. Hello, I am in Scotland with my buddies Tyler and Alan. He's down there. And Anand. Anand is in a different building than us. But today the problem is called build an array with stack operations, um, which is they give us a target array, uh, a range of integers, and we have to return a list of strings that involve stack operations that creates the array using the range from 1 to whatever given value in. And so doing a little bit of whiteboarding, we have um, let's start from the beginning. We want to create the array 1 and 3. So let's start with index of 1. And the target index is 0, which is also 1. And we check index of 1 is equal to target index of 0, which is also 1. So we do push. We like that. We increase target index to 1. So we're looking at 3 now. And index of 2. We don't want to, so we push it and then we pop it. And that pretty much gets rid of the 2 pretty efficiently. And then we reach index 3, in which case we push. And there aren't really a lot of edge cases, which is pretty convenient. And this is what I have. This is the answer array list. We start at 0, target index of 0. We start at counter 1, index counter 1. And while index is not equal to the last value of the target array is the last one we want to reach, pretty much. And we keep on looping until we get there. And at the end, we push and return. So for target of length 1, we just do push and then we return. Because target of length 1 would always just be value 1. So, inside this loop, if we like the variable, we push, we increase the index, we increase the target index. But if we don't like it, we push and we pop, but we still increase the index, so we increase the counter. So we skip 2 and go to 3, pretty much. And yeah, pretty easy one today. I'm glad I whiteboarded this out. No copying, so we are on track to the goal for this week. So thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, I'm in Scotland. I'm in Edinburgh. Um, this was the annoying problem from the extension today. I did a brute force method. I passed 62 out of 66 test cases with a freaking double for loop. Um, there's probably a really smart way to do this, but um, I'm not in the mood right now, so I'm gonna skip this and do the actual streak problem. Okay. Okay. So this is the optimized solution for the count of smaller numbers array. So we have the original array, OG, and we have a sorted array. Okay. And we are trying to generate a new one. So what we do is we take this one, we find 5. We run a binary search on the sorted array. We find 5 here. How many are less than 5? 2. Okay, good. We add 2. And what we do is we completely get rid of 5 in the sorted array. Okay. And we move on to 2. Let's look at 2. How many are below 2? 1. We add 1. And we get rid of 2 in this array. We look at 6. How many are behind 6 in the sorted array? There's only 1, so we add 1. And 1 is 0. Here's the code implementation. There's 2 lists, or there's the given integer array. There is the answer integer array. And this is the sorted array. And what we do is we do a for each loop, and we add it to the sorted array. We sort, and we run a binary search on the array to nums of index I. So we would go 5, 2, 6, 1. And we add the index, as well as remove it from the sorted array. And return answer. And yeah, that's the solution for this problem. I had to look at the solution, but in my defense, this was the annoying problem that I had to get out of the way to do the real problem. But I won't mess up like this again, I promise. Alright, bye bye.